Hello, I'm in a 2016 Nissan Rogue, and today I'm going to show you how to add coolant. So first, open the hood, make sure your vehicle's turned off and cool down. You don't want to work on this system while it's hot, just because this liquid can get to a boil, and a lot of the system works under pressure, so you don't want a bunch of boiling poison to spew onto you. But this leads to the top of your radiator, and then this here is the main reservoir you'd add coolant to. And then on the side there's a full mark and a minimum mark. So you do want some air gaps, you don't fill all the way to the top. And double check your owner's manual or good online source, you've got the best type of coolant for your particular make and model. But to add, you also typically want to match the same kind and color of what's already in here. Better not to mix and match if you can help it. To add, you'll just unscrew this top, and either with a funnel or straight from your diluted coolant jug, fill as needed till you're around that maximum mark, and then screw this back on nice and tight when you're done. If it got really low for some reason, you may also want to open up the radiator cap here to add tier or check, in which case you just push down slightly and twist about twice, and then this should just pull right off. And you should see coolant just right there, and you can always add a little more if you need. Screw this back on nice and tight when you're done. Make sure it is tight, especially there, because you don't want coolant spraying out while the vehicle's on. And all that said, once you finish those, I would actually start the vehicle and run it for a few minutes and look around the engine bay, around the reservoir, all the lines, around the radiator and under the car to see if you see any coolant or liquid start to puddle. If you do, and you want to make sure that's coolant, that would indicate that there might be a leak or crack or something like that in that area. But if there is, a way to tell that apart versus water condensation forming is the coolant should have a slight coloration to it. It'll have a slight sweetness smell. And you don't really want it on your skin, but if you feel it, it should feel slightly slick compared to what water would feel like. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.